Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the device can accept commands. Once done, set the USB mode to file transfer or MIDI depending on your device. This ensures ADB can see it. Make sure Android Studio and platform tools are installed and updated because ADB versions must match the SDK. Plug a good USB cable into a high-speed port. Don't use passive hubs. This initial setup prevents common detection problems later. With the phone connected, you'll see an RSA key prompt. Accept it to authorize this computer. Then open a terminal and run a DB devices. Once you see your device's serial and the word device, Android Studio can deploy apps. If it shows unauthorized, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reconnect to force a fresh prompt. Also restart the ADB server with a DB kill server, then a DB start server if detection still fails. This resets connections without rebooting everything. In Android Studio, choose your connected device from the run/debug target list and start a quick build to confirm deployment. Monitor Logcat for app output and installation errors. This shows exactly why installs fail. If Studio doesn't list the device, switch USB mode, try a different cable or port, and run a DB kill server then a DB start server. As a final resort, toggle USB debugging or reboot the phone. Often the simplest restart resolves stubborn handshake issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.